Hello, this is Dario Marjoli, and I review houseplants. Most of the times, I talk about plants that die and plants that you shouldn't buy. So today, I'm going to talk about a plant that is actually pretty good, and it is not fussy at all, and survives, and is pretty strong. Is a pretty strong plant. It's called the Zamioculcas. Zamioculcas, and it's a plant that it originates from Kenya. And I don't know if you've seen videos from Kenya. It's very green and all that. And so the Zamioculcas also is very green, and it has a very sort of glossy foliage. So here it is, the plant. And it costs about $10 at the store. So so why is it good? I was on vacation for 10 days, and I came back, and not only it didn't die, but it actually grew some stems. So it looks like it's not a fussy plant, and it's pretty strong, and it will survive. So I do recommend you buy this Zamioculcas for your condo or apartment. They are indoor plants. Thank you. Subscribe.